Okay. So now I know there's a lot of narrations and history and different, perspective that is happening. Now I'm in Denkyira Palace.
Yes.
Right. And I believe that I'm going to get authentic history that is the true and the only one. So now, how did Denkyira came to existence?
Okay, this is a very fantastic question. Denkyira is a kingdom that traces its roots to as far back as Sumer, ancient Sumer, Mesopotamia. We were there, and due to some wars, so because of the deluge, we moved to Egypt. So if you heard of King Aha before, King Aha was the first Egyptian king of the dynasty who united the Upper Egypt and the Lower Egypt.
Okay.
And the name Aha is a Denkyira name.
The name Aha is a Denkyira name?
A Denkyira royal name.
Okay.
See, so then we had to move because Egypt was attacked by Cambyses, by Macedonia. Then later, they were attacked by the Persians. Egypt was attacked by Persians.
Okay.
Then later, Alexander the Great. Later, the Romans.
Okay.
So all these wars pushed us further here. But when we came down here.
But I want to ask, why were you running? Because if you say Egypt, were you not Egyptians? Were you Egyptians or you were not Egyptians? You were just settlers?
When you move and establish a kingdom there, the kingdom becomes yours.